You ever think about the Earth's core and think about how big it is compared to how we're just this tiny little thin layer on the outside of the Earth? I think about it a lot because recently scientists actually discovered a deep wobble within the Earth's core, and they still have no idea what it is. Essentially, once every 8.5 years, they hear this strange sound from the middle of the Earth. The scientific term for this is the inner core wobble. Basically, the inner core is heavier and denser in the northwestern hemisphere, which tilts it 0.17 degrees away from the planet's mantle. There's definitely a lot more research to be done on what this is. My bet could be aliens, different civilizations, any sort of thing. But it's probably something boring. My name is Lucas, and I make videos about innovative tech.